Greetings, and welcome back to my channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So make me ask you something. You realize, say, I know people one can ask Jesus question, but Jesus can ask question too. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 20 from verse 41 to verse 44. Jesus asks, what make them say the Christ a David pitney? A David same one say in the book of Psalms. The Lord tell me Lord say, sit down on my right hand till me take them we hate you, turn them in a stool for you put your foot upon. David call him Lord. So how him fi be David pitney? A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.